marketing is the overall picture, from getting the patient in the door to signing up the patient for care. For you to get the entire picture of marketing, you really need to know how every aspect of marketing relates to your business.
So far, so good. I've learned a lot. Salim is always wonderful. We've been to a few of his other seminars. Always wonderful, always great.
I was hiding from the general public with the social media, but now I'm no longer afraid. So I'm going out there and update my profiles and tell my patients and the world what I have here to help them with their back pain.
Well, let me tell you something. So far, it's great, fantastic. I have been updating my social media skills. I had no idea how so many flaws, so thank God I was able to fix them. And looking forward to a good campaign coming up.
So what we're doing is helping doctors communicate with patients in the community.
And I'm here to support Salim in his mission to promote chiropractic by being the best chiropractor that I can be with everything that I'm learning here today.
Yeah, this event definitely exceeded my expectations in terms of knowledge of marketing for the DRX. I'm actually going to be ordering my first DRX next week, and this has definitely enlightened me in terms of how to market it so it reduces my fear of getting it, which is one of the things that was holding me back. So this is definitely worth the event.
The most exciting part is just taking control of what people see when they look for me on the internet. It's well worth the time and effort to get here and enjoy this.
So simply go to marketingdecompression.com. The agenda will be there, and you can sign up right from there. It's only $99. marketingdecompression.com. Sign up, and I look forward to seeing you in Tampa.